Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So today you will see in this lecture a super simple trading strategy that based on liquidity. So liquidity doesn't mean that any low and high you will mark out and I will tell you go for inversion, go for fair value gap. It's a very simple mechanical and a liquidity base with secret timing, and it will work on all asset class, either in a forex, commodities, futures, everywhere. Very simple. Just stay with me for a few minutes and you will see how it's work. I will show you in the live data, also in the back test on all asset classes. So make sure you watch this video till the end. It is the best ICT trading strategy you ever seen in the YouTube. So very simple one. It can be applied on any time frame very easy. So before I start, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it, share it, and join our Telegram channel as well. I will give you a simple, first of all, a theoretical part of this video. So how you will identify the liquidity. Now I am in a 1 hour. You can apply what I'm going to show you here. You can apply all time frames. Okay. So first thing, you have to see only a leg. Leg means a low and a high of that time frame, like 1 hour leg. Between that, many pullbacks can happen, small pullbacks. Okay, but originally from where the trend mostly return back, so from low and high. These leg can be for 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 day, 15 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, any time frame. We will mark out at high and a low. Okay, then you will wait for either high and low have to be sweep. Wait just a minute. I will also explain you many things in this video on a live chart. You will see by your eyes that what I'm talking about is not a lie. Okay, very simple, super simple, stupid strategy ever you seen in the YouTube, believe me. So between these lag, we may have Asia, we may have a London, we may have a New York as well. So if you are bullish, if you see our overall trend is bullish, there is a high probability chance that price will first take the liquidity and then you trade on that secret timing, which I will tell you later, and it will come and sweep any of these relative equal low with, you see also the SMT. Okay, and then target the higher prices. Okay, now if you are not understanding here, just be patient with me. I will show you in the chart anytime, anywhere. Okay, the secret timing is, for me personally, is a macros, where I want to see the expansion, most expansion move. The rest of one you will see the mostly consolidation or accumulation phases. To see the most time the distribution phase I found in the macros. The macros timings I will explain you as per the New York time, UTC-4. For Euro USD, GBP USD, you will use these both pair. For SMT also, and for their timing, the most important, the London one, 250 310, 350 410. Okay, if you are using like another asset classes like commodities and futures like NQ S&P 500, then you have also the morning AM session as well, and the best morning AM session is for me, I consider, is 9:50 to 10:10 and 10:50 to 11:10. The most important PM session is 1:50 to 2:10 and 3:15 to 3:50 PM. Okay, so now I want to show you something in the chart that is the most important part of this video. Let me remove the R diagrams and we can go to anywhere on the chart, no problem. Okay, we will go to anywhere in the chart. We will open the 1 hour. Okay, and this strategy is work on all time frames. Okay, so we have to find a leg. Okay, we have to find a leg that create high and low. For example, this is the high, this is the low, right? So we will simply mark out these areas. Okay, and we also go further below and want to see high and lows like this. Okay, this was the low that create this high, right? Okay, and then what happened between, we have, if I little bit zoom out, you will see here are some color boxes that are basically the Asian session that I'm using this indicator, Asian session. Okay, and the green box is Asia, this London, the blue one, the red one is New York, right? So what happened, we see the leg low, we see the leg high, right, the first. Okay, then what happened, price, we have between this leg we have many session, Asia, London, sorry, New York, London. Okay, and then we have Asia, London, New York. Okay, and then Asia, London, New York, and then what happened, price come, took the area of this 2 days liquidity, because it's become 2 days, right, liquidity, and we are bullish. If we are bullish, you will see the expansion move toward your liquidity area. Your first target always the nearest high of that leg you mark out. After that you will expand more further here and there. Okay, so let's we go, if little bit anywhere, if you want to go anywhere, you will see something there is residing that make price move. Okay, like this was the low, this was the high, right, that make that lows. Okay, so you mark out that areas. I want to show, normally I will also do the back test on it, you will see also low and high, right? So what happened, price came and we see the overall is coming bearish, so we want to anticipate that price should go bearish, right? So what happened, price give you also the scalper trading, like we have the low of London. Okay, we sweep in the New York session and you take a entry and hit the target. Okay, and then what happened, price liquidate the area, and if you go further below you will also see the liquidity here is residing above. So what happened, then we got another low. Okay, okay, which create these highs, right? Okay, and then once you hit that area, okay, and then you will see the nearest point of liquidity, that is the Asian sessions or London session, or can be a New York session. High relative equals liquidity sweep, you see. Okay, okay, now what we have, low here, we have a high here, high here, low here. We are bullish, price can come and go from here, and if we see price is in below the 50% of that levels. Okay, now we will play this area low high, which create this high, right? So this is the actually low that break these areas and become make a new high, right? Now we will wait which area is taken first and then wait for our confirmation. Okay, high, I telling you, wait 1 hour for our marking areas. Okay, and 1 minute you can go for your trading. So what happened here, we are bullish. Okay, we didn't take there, most time you will see also that it will take a liquidity and go. So what happened, we create some bunch of liquidities here, we are bullish and we take out the liquidity. These leg make these lows, right? Price took and go to the all-time high again, sorry, the above of this liquidity area. This is the high, okay, which create this low, the biggest. We mark out this area and wait for price to come to that area Sorry for the internet. See what happened. Liquidity sweep come all the way to the downside. Liquidity sweep all the way to the upside. This is the beauty of this liquidity concept. Secret timing in macros hour. Wanna see? I will show you. Go anywhere randomly, not any chart. I will open and like this. So here I want to see a leg first. We are overall bullish, right? So we have these leg that create this high, okay, and we have this high, we have these lows, we have this low. So we are marking our first areas. High, high, okay, and then this is the highs. We will now mark the internal structure which create this low. Okay, we have internal sessions highs and lows, right? We have here as sessions. Took this area. We want to see, this was the leg. If you see the zoom on, this was the leg, right? So we want to see in lower time frame that which area price. It can be applied in 1 minute as well. Okay, we want to see first which side it's red. Okay, so if we go to 1 minute, every day you have to open your 1 hour chart and see the leg. Okay, the leg which create a new leg. This create low, this was the high. This leg make this high, right? And now we will wait for price to reach one of our area. See, we got this next day in London. We'll go to our 1 minute time frame. We got our liquidity. You can enjoy the trading if you know the area of liquidity. For example, you know that price will reach to that area. You can ride from here to there and you wait for your area to be rigged, and then you will wait for the opposite level of entry. We reach on the liquidity area. We have this high, we have this low, right? So after closing here, what we have? The change in the state of delivery, right? What timing? Not our timing. 540, 545. This is not our timing, right? We'll wait for our area. We have now 5 minute internal low, and we have unfinished business here, right? So we'll wait for one area to be liquidated. If we are bullish, we want to see a new leg has to be any area that has to be rigged. We have this fair value gap. Okay, timing you can see macros hour. Okay, if we go to 1 minute, we'll find something special here. We can be wrong. That's not a bad thing if you are wrong. We ripped here. We have inversion, okay, but we will wait for more confirmation. Until price reach to 950 macros hour. Okay, see, I am not playing randomly. This is the fair value gap we got respected. Many confluence make you many things. You can directly buy from when it's go. See, that's the beauty. And if you go to GBP USD, because you will see it's got SMT 919 to 954 and 919 to this one. Higher high, higher low in GBP USD. Okay, if you want to see like 9 o'clock from 9:1 to 9:54, okay, and you will see here 9 o'clock almost here, this one, this much, see. And what is your another confluence, that we took the liquidity, right? So once you see that you have inversion here, you have inversion here, make a fake liquidity internal sweep, right? Fake, right? Market structure shift, fake fair value gap, it's reverse. From here you can take trade, because if you see, this is the ICT 22 model, right? But it didn't work. Why? Because we are choosing a wrong timing if we are selling here, just because we are overall sale on this session. So we have, where is the liquidity? We have this liquidity area. First target will always be the nearest liquidity area. This 1 minute, if you are taking the trade in 1 minute, which is the leg, this is the leg, this create this low, right? So this is the nearest your liquidity area. First you will always target. Okay, second, third, and the last one is here. Okay, let's play out and see. We got here SL and we got respect from this fair value gap, but we create a beautiful sweeps. If you are become wrong, okay, so not have to be worried about it. Remember that point. Is create almost 2 hour, but we didn't reach our level. No problem. Sometimes you become wrong also, so that's not an issue. You have to accept. See, I don't like I am not like the another traders that who first back test and then show you something. No, I will show you the exactly what is going on. Same thing I will do always. we mark these low. Why I'm marking this low? These create these high also. From here it's also start. These also there. We took the liquidity and go, because it's a 5 minute, right? So the probabilities of everything will be there. So you have to be quick there. So we have the areas, beautiful areas. We want to see reaction there. Okay. Real market structure shift come only, see, for me this is the macros hour also. We because 1150 1150 to 1210 is also macros. Okay, macros hour. If I long from here on the closing of this candle, okay, I will put the stop loss here, and where it will be I target 1 to 2. Okay, but where we have also good area of liquidity, these also 1 to 2 will be my partial, and this will be my liquidity area. We will see. If we got SL, no problem. This is the part of game, isn't it? See, I am not like another YouTubers that I will show you what thing. These things happen with them always. I'm not telling that they are telling lies. These things happen with them always as well. These are our major areas from where we can get a huge trade. No problem. You will see. I will show you in this video that how much is powerful this strategy if we work with it. Okay, we took these lows, we took these lows, we took the liquidities, all highs, if you see, all lows here. Okay, we take it now. You can see we tap in FVG. We have here $5-minute, timing macros. You can see the timing. Okay, doesn't mean that every time you work. Okay, we'll go to the 1 minute also, so you cannot say, oh, you are see shifting the time as you like. Not like that. Candle close above of this inversion fair value gap. See bro, I am picking the randoms bar chart replay to show you. Liquidity we are taking in 1 minute. We'll find the recent one. Okay, then we extend it other ways. Here is the liquid, beautiful liquidity areas. Liquidity areas all the way upside. We are already in a huge profit. You will see. Here is also good thing. If we are bullish, this was the low and this was the high, right? I want to see, want to rigged. Note the timing, 9:32, 10:34. Here is the 9:32. What is this? SMT? Isn't it SMT? See, this is how I show you that you 2 trade you loss, but what is the gain? 8 hour, 6 hour you are up, and you can hold this trade on the base of 1 hour time frame. This was the low made by this high. Let's say this is the high. Let me delete these areas. Okay, this is the major, this is one the minor. Okay, and you already partial some profits and wait for the rig of this area. If we are bearish, the most likely the turning point is 50%, like here. Okay, as you remember, I told you that in between in this leg we have many Asia level. You see the Asia level, you see this candle, this fucking candle. So there is a chance in the above of this Asia session, if you put the liquidity 7 hour trade, right? Let's the sake that you close your 80% position and hold it with the break even, and you see how this strategy is fucking beautiful. If we are bullish, I told you many times, if we are bullish, what will happen? Sweep like that, it will go. Price will never ever go. You will see, if you don't see in a higher time frame, you will see in the lower time frame that it will work like that. Hit 13, 14, for almost 14 hour, we have another level. We will see. See, what I want to share with you. We have this low, price gave us on 2 AM. Okay, give us a reaction, we have this low also. Okay, 50% of this leg from here to here is came, right? We are bearish, came downside. Now let me show you in some random in gold, because if you bar replay on any, it will go any asset class. So we have low that make high, right? We have low, we have a high, rigged out. Okay, we have high, we have low. Okay, which low they take? This low, right? Did it give you a reaction from here or not? Yeah, until where? The nearest liquidity level give you. Okay, now this was the low that create this higher, am right? Okay, then what happened? See, price come, took the area of this liquidity, give you the nearest liquidity, am right? Now we'll go and want to see what happened. If you don't see anything nearby, you have to go backside here to see the liquidity areas. High, and let's say I am run this area, and I if we go to further, you will see a low that create here and a high that create here. Okay, between that it's a structure. Why this working from here? This is the low, this is the high that create that low, right? So what happened? Once it's got swept out, it gives you a reaction, am right? We have a minor inside liquidity areas here. You just have to work on liquidity. That's all you need in your whole life. low, sorry, high, low, right? Sweep, nearest liquidity. Now this is the low and this is the high, right? Sweep, nearest low, sessions, lows. See, low. Now what we have? These high, we have these low. You can consider internal liquidity as well. You are seeing I am not lying you. I am showing you exactly randomly. I am not picking for as I like. No, nothing was there. You can apply these anywhere in 1 minute. I do trade every day these concept on 1 minute on NAS 100 every day. Yesterday I took also trades on it. I will show you here exactly how I took the trade yesterday on base of these strategy. Even the market was making higher highs. I will show you here. I am in right US 100. Oh, sorry, we have to go. I was say what is that? It was higher high. See, yesterday I took trade based on it. I miss many trades, brother. So what happened here? I was marking this area of 15 minute, okay, and I was trading on the macros 1050 to let me mark the exact 1050, and the more accuracy will come to you after you backtest on it. What I'm showing you is not a lie, it's nothing. Okay, 11. This is my entry time. Okay, not like I will enter also. So let me bar replay up to here so you will understand. Okay, what we have here, I will show you one thing. This is market all-time high. This is my area of liquidity that I want that price should come again here. If we are bullish, I am a bullish from here. Okay, ICT 22 model. Okay, I missed this trade on 950 macros. Okay, I remember. See, I remember. I have this 15-minute FVG, and we have bullish. So the leg low and high where this is the low of the leg, okay, and this is the high of the leg, right? And we are bullish. Price will, if we are bullish, price will never come to the low of this leg. Very rare. So what I have to find the internal range which make these high big. Okay, so what we have here, we have this liquidity. You say randomly put, no bro, I took the trade. We have liquidity here, we have liquidity here. Okay, and I want to see rigged, okay, the area of low, okay, because this is the protective low for this leg, right? And we are in the 15-minute FVG. Okay, so you will see here inversion fair value gap will come. We took the liquidity. I respect this fair value gap. Let me remove this area. Okay, and it will become inverse. I took yesterday this trade. See, okay, and then you can direct buy from here or wait for price to come to your area. Okay, price will come to your area. It will come to your area. See, it will come to your FVG. You have long entry. Okay, your stop loss below this area, and you target this area. Okay, and then don't be greedy if you are right. Just always target the area. that was the beautiful trade I took yesterday on US 100 on the concept of same thing always. I will also show you in the next video that FMC day how it good was if you also watching this leg liquidity. Okay, I hope you learn something from this video. If you don't have any good prop firm, I will give you the link in the description. Make sure you join from there, and that have a very good cheap prop firm. And I hope you learn something from this video. Thank you very much. Until we meet next time.